Today we work on this 03 Max right behind me, 6-speed. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. To know if your starter's no good, you will hear a loud click noise, or you turn the key and there's nothing. Alright, first things first. Let's remove the negative terminal right here. Take that off. Then take off your intake. If you have an intake, the starter's right there, under there. So you have to take off the InGen intake if you have one. Alright, let's take it off right now. Alright, took the InGen intake off. Now let's take off this plug right here for the starter. This is the male plug right here. Make sure when you get a new one, it's a male, not a female. Alright, it's 12 right here. Take that off. It's 12. Alright, let's take it off. Now, let's take off the 14 right here. It's the 14. Take it off. There's one there. And there should be one at the bottom too. Second bolt should be right under it, right there. You see it hiding? That's a 14 too. So both of them 14. Let's take them off. And this is your ugly starter right here. Look at that. Ugly, burnt out. You could clean it if you want with a rag, if you want. Your choice. You know, I just wipe my fingers. Get it. Alright, that's your dirty starter right there. Let's get the new one. Alright, it's the new starter. Put it in right now. Alright, show it in there. Oh shit, my way. Just like that. Alright, take your 14 bolts, put it in there. Alright, so you're done. Tighten it down. Put the connector back on. Here. Bang. Alright, make sure it's in. Put the positive terminal back on there. It's back. And 12 back on there, like so. Alright, she back right there. Alright, put your intake back on if you have one on there. Alright, get to put your ground back on there. Yep, and that was it. So, if you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. I got more coming.